So Allyson, give me number 2 of the top 5 common mistakes people make.
Racking it, kind of what we were talking about before, racking up your balance so high that it's maxed out and then paying it off. So remember when I was just telling you that you kind of get punished at both ends. So if you max out your credit cards and leave them and they report, you're going to see a drop in your credit score.
Right.
If you pay them off and leave it like that, you're going to have a drop. So I don't know where this logic came to play, but a lot of people assume that if you max out your credit cards and then pay them off every single month, that you're gonna get a boost, and you're just not, because you don't know the day that credit card company is gonna report all of their accounts to the bureaus, and what if they catch it on a day that you have a really high balance? So you don't want to run that risk either.
Right.
So it kind of goes back to that 1 to 19% or that $5 balance.
Yeah, absolutely. Allyson, thanks so much for being with us today. I really appreciate it. It was great having you on. As for our listeners, if you have any more questions or comments, please don't hesitate to reach out, comment below, or you can go to RamseyLoans.com, check out Ramsey's Insight. Until then, I'm Ramsey Holbrook, your mortgage specialist.